trying to let him wait, but he's not. He's not trying to wait. So we're doing this. We're doing some puzzle, some Toy Story puzzle. He loving some Toy Story. So I'm gonna see how long it takes him to do it. Oh, we got this one too. We got that one is 24 pieces, and this one is 48. So I'm gonna try to do this one. Let's see. Look at him. He's so focused. He's so focused. Oh dang! I'm making up a whole box. Oh. That bag. I feel like this one's gonna be harder. How focused he is. Okay, so this is the other one. Focus. Okay. Should make him do this one since he's doing it so fast. Okay. I'm looking at the box. He's not even looking at the box. I'm looking at the box. Alright, let's do this, Kimani. Let's see how long it's gonna take for us to put this together. Oh my gosh, this is it's confusing already. No, who is? It's not him. Hold on. Does this go there? No, it does not. Where's the other part of Woody body at? Who's this person? It's a little girl. That's not even it. Oh Jesus, this is hard. Okay, you got this? You got this? This?
Yes.
You got this. I see. Y'all see him? Good job, Papa. Oh my God, he got it. He's getting it so quick. Wow. That's crazy. I'm gonna be watching him. I should be doing mine. I need your help, Kimani. I'm gonna need your help with this one, Papa. I can't do it by myself. He doing good. Look, he doing good. I'm over here trying to figure it out. He over here doing this so fast.
I was like that too. I was like, Jesus. I was like, damn. Can I get two of them together?
Bro, oh my gosh.
You got the small one?
Yeah.
Should have given him the big one.
No, he picked up that one. I know. I said that to him. Like, damn, I should have given him the big one.
He'll still beat you with that.
Exactly.
See his face?
Yeah, he's so focused. He's so focused. Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like I'll get all of. Right, just a horse. Let me see. The horse foot. I feel like I should, if I pick up all of them like this, I'll get that. All I know is you won't help me when I'm done. That's all I know, Papa. Oh man, I am lost. Oh my gosh. I love you.
I love you.
He is so cute, so smart. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm sure I can try to do this myself. I don't know what the heck to do. I don't even know where to start. Alright, I don't know. Let me look at the picture. Where's the hat? The hat. This is so bad. My son is kicking my butt. Nope, that's not it. Nope, that ain't it. Oh my God, he got it! Oh, did a good job! High five! Yay! Hold on, let me show them. Let me show them what you did. Look what he did! He did it! I'm so ashamed. Wait, why I show these people on the side? You don't even show them on the thing. But he did good. I thought you did good, baby. Good job. Now do this one. Alright, let's do this one. Oh wait. Let's see how long we can do this one. See the box? Oh, you don't need the box? Oh. You're like, Mommy, I don't need the box. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is bad. I gotta learn to do this. This is terrible. I don't know how to do this. And Kimani is just picking the pieces by pieces. Let's see. Purple. Let's see. Oh, I found her face. Yes, I found her face. I got peace. I'm hyped. I found her face. Okay. A hair. I think this is a hair. Is it, no? This way? No. This one? Yeah. No? No, it ain't. This side? Nope. Dang, where that other piece of hair at? Oh boy. Oh brother. Oh brother. Oh, okay, I think this piece go here, does it? Yes, it do. I got it. I got it. We're gonna have to put it together, Kimani, because you doing half and I'm doing half. This part gotta go here somewhere. I think it's gotta be this part. Yeah. Ooh, see? I'm doing my piece. I don't think they're seeing it. Y'all just gonna see when I'm done because I can't kind of focus. Alright, I'm doing a part though. Look. See? Small part right here. Okay. Alright, this part. This part. Nope. This part. This part go here. Yep. Yes it does. Found it. This part go here. Does it? I don't even know. Oh, I got her foot. Yeah, girl, I got your foot, girl. Hold on. Dang, where is it? This part. Does it go here? No, it does not. Does it go here? Nope. This? What's this red thing on? This is from Jessie here. I don't think that's part of the. You probably got some of my pieces I'm looking for. No, we don't. Hey, look. Another piece right there. Oh, this. No, it does not go there. Does it go right here? Yay! I got it. I got it. That part gotta go there. Yep, there's another foot. Where's the other foot? Come on, you got her foot.
Yes.
Her lady foot.
Come here.
Where is it?
Get the phone.
I'm trying to find all the pieces of foot. Not it. It's not it. This is it. I found it. It's okay. And this part go here. I think. No, it does not. Does this go here? No, it does not. Gotta be this part. Dang, I'm missing pieces. You be noisy. Okay, this one. I don't.
It's fine.
All right. I'm doing good, but he doing better than me. Put that one over there. All right, let's get back to this. Does this go here? No, it does not. Don't know why we. No. This way? Nope. It's not it. This way? I haven't done a puzzle in how long? Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I haven't done a puzzle in forever. Oh, no. Don't get it. I think Kalani has some of my parts. Because... Oh, look. Woody right here. Okay, let me help you with Woody. Woody... Is it a part? It just... Nope, that's not it. Look, got that part. So, I think this part go here. Yep, there you go. Ooh, is that it? Go ahead. Wait, that don't look like it, Papa. I think. Let's go down here somewhere. Yeah, let's go right here. That go there. Where that one go? No, that go over here, Papa. Look, got it. Yeah, good job. Okay. Look. Gotta be somewhere at the bottom. Look, another piece right here. Gotta be somewhere. There's one over here? No. Nope. Right here somewhere? No. Up. Oh, let me see. No, don't go there. Nope. Dang. I'm gonna fix this part over here because I think I'm missing something. I think I did good, but I can't find the rest of her face. That's not it. The woody part. No, it's not it. There you go. Oh, good job, baby. Okay. No, that's the foot. The foot part. The foot. The foot go down right here. Check right here. Yay! Teamwork. Teamwork. Make the dream work. Teamwork. Say it. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Almost got it with this part. Where the piggy? Where did piggy go? The piggy go next to the girl. So that means the girl's supposed to be up here. Above. Ooh, I'm messing it up. The piggy. Get over there. Where the girl go? Oh, look, you got it. See, I know you have some of my parts I was missing. Good job, baby. Yes. What is it? You're so smart. You're so smart.
You're smart.
You're very smart. Oh, you got it! Papa, look. Papa, you got it. Oh, good job, baby. Yeah, you did good. Oh my God. You got this on lock. Got this on lockdown. This one go over here. This one go over here. I ain't asking nobody. I know what's over here. Right? No? Which way? All the way? No? We got 4 more pieces. 5 more pieces. Almost done. We almost done. Where'd this go? Where's it? Oh, the dinosaur. It's a dinosaur. Oh, right here, over here. My baby is smart. Like, y'all see what he doing? Look, right here. Yes. Okay, I'll put them together. Oh, put them together. You did both of them. High five. Good job. Shoo. So guys, we finished this video. Kimani finished all of them. He's so smart. He did more than me. Like, as y'all can see, he did more work than me. So, but look, I'm about to show y'all the finished product. Hold on. This way. You see that? Look at that. Aww. Alright, so I'm about to flip the camera and show y'all how it is. How it looks. Oh my God. Look what he did. He's so smart. Say thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching.
Say like,
Comment,
share, subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.